Hi, so in this video we are going to cover the pattern program related to Python. So in this Python pattern program we are going to print half, that is 1 by 2, then 2 by 3, then 3 by 4 and then 4 by 5. Remember that you won't be getting the output as fractions, you will be getting the output as decimals. So for this we have to open our decoder application. So first we have to declare a variable. Let's say x is equal to 0, so I'm initiating x as 0, and y equal to, let's say, 1. Okay, so for I in range, so we have 4 terms, so 0 comma 4. So here we are going to say that x is equal to x plus 1 and y is equal to y plus 1, and let's say z is equal to x by y. Print, so we are going to print z. Okay, and we are going to run this. So we have 0.5, 0.66, 0.75 and 0.8. If you go to the calculator and calculate half, then 2/3, then 3/4, then 4/5, you will get these results simultaneously. Always remember that you will be getting these results as decimals but not as fraction. Thanks for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Your one like and your one subscription is a huge motivation for us to make more and more videos. Do not forget to like this video. Thank you.